Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101, and today we're going to install a Bluetooth RV air conditioner non-ducted ceiling assembly by Coleman-Mach, an Airxcel brand. Let's start by going over some of the features and benefits this product has to offer. Of course, the Bluetooth feature means you can control the climate in your RV by using an RV Climate app on your smart device. You can download the RV Climate app for iPhones from the App Store and the Android app from Google Play. With the RV Climate app downloaded to your device, you can view the air conditioner temperature and activity by location in the RV. And you can set the desired temperature and fan activity for each air conditioner. Just follow the instructions to operate the air conditioner using the RV Climate app and to pair devices. Each device can be paired with up to 3 Bluetooth ceiling assemblies, and each Bluetooth ceiling assembly can pair up to 4 smart devices to control thermostat operations. The ceiling assembly itself is low profile. It has pop-out retainer grills for easy access to the washable air filters, and in addition to the forward and aft air vents, there are 2 omnidirectional louvers to direct conditioned air in any direction you want. In the center of the ceiling assembly, there is a keypad backlit LCD screen. The ceiling assembly display indicates the mode and the room temperature and allows you to operate the temperature manually. Those are some pretty great features, but that's not all. You may or may not know that on air conditioners operated with traditional non-ducted ceiling assemblies, the fan runs continuously when the AC is on, whether the compressor is operating or not. With this Bluetooth ceiling assembly, the air distribution fan can run continuously, or it can cycle on and off with the compressor. That's a really nice feature. The Bluetooth ceiling assembly replaces existing 8000 and 9000 series non-ducted assemblies, and it's heat strip ready. Let's start the installation. Warning: shock hazard. To prevent the possibility of severe personal injury or equipment damage due to electrical shock, always make sure the electrical power source to the appliance is disconnected. Carefully follow all instructions and warnings in the installation manual to avoid damage to the equipment, personal injury, or fire. Follow the air conditioner's manual for instructions on removing the existing non-ducted ceiling assembly. All of the existing components can be discarded as they will not be reused. It will be necessary to remove the 4 air conditioner mounting bolts and the mounting frame, since some previous mounting frames do not have the pre-drilled holes for attachment of the plenum to the mounting ring. Installing the Bluetooth ceiling assembly. The base pan gasket on the existing air conditioner should be inspected at this time. If the gasket is not in good condition, it should be replaced prior to installation of the new Bluetooth ceiling assembly. Using the 4 bolts provided, secure the mount frame to the rooftop unit. Proper tension is achieved for each bolt when any portion of each gasket indicating tab is pulled down even with the roof. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Remove the control box assembly cover held by 2 sheet metal screws and retain the screws. Feed the field lead wires with ground wire through the cable clamp provided. Feed the field wires through the control box. Connect the supply conductor wires to the pigtail leads with the provided wire nuts. Black to black, white to white, ground to green. Ensure that no bare wires can come into contact with live electrical parts and that no wires can be pinched between the control box sides and the lid. Insert the cable clamp into the control box entry hole to secure the field wiring. Reinstall the control box lid with the 2 sheet metal screws. Attach the thermostat terminals to the control box using the wiring diagram on the control box lid or in the installation instructions. Mount the control box inside the upper unit evaporator cover. Position the control box cover over the existing machine screws and secure with the 2 spring nuts provided. Plug the existing wiring harness into the control box. Plug the 2 freeze sensor terminals into the control box labeled freeze sensor. Insert the freeze sensor between the evaporator fins near the bottom center of the evaporator and between the bottom 2 tubes. Remove the grills and filters from the ceiling assembly shroud. Locate the cloth duct assembly and assemble to the rooftop unit base pan with 3 of the short screws. Raise the ceiling assembly chute to align with the cloth duct assembly. Attach the chute to the steel mount frame with 4 short screws. Expand and straighten the cloth duct through the ceiling assembly opening. Gently peel off the release liner of the VHB, very high bond, double-sided tape. Press the cloth duct uniformly around the perimeter of the opening to adhere the cloth duct to the plastic chute. Carefully trim the excess cloth duct. A razor knife is very effective for this step. Take care not to tear the fabric beyond the adhesive strip. Attach the room temperature sensor to one of the middle holes of the steel mount frame with the short screw, the spacer, and shoulder washer provided. Connect the 2 pin connectors together for the room sensor and connect the thermostat cable to the control box cable. Align the shroud with the air chute, ensuring no wires are trapped between the plastic parts. Attach the shroud to the steel mounting frame with 4 short screws provided. Install the filters and grill. And you're done. How great is it to be able to monitor and adjust the temperature of your RV's air conditioner from your mobile device? This Bluetooth ceiling assembly upgrade takes your existing 8000 or 9000 series non-ducted ceiling assemblies and operation of your Coleman-Mach rooftop unit to a new level. After it's installed, you just open the RV Climate app and your air conditioner controls are at your fingertips. For more information on the Bluetooth ceiling assembly, visit the website on the screen. Happy camping.